A very good evening, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are going to start with chapter 4, and chapter 4 is related to the correction and retouching, or we can speak correcting and retouching. What is the meaning of correcting? In today's session, we will discuss about correcting first. What is correcting? To make the correction, to make the changes. And correction concept we are discussing about Photoshop. How to make the correction in a Photoshop software when we are having a photograph that is not as per up to mark. Like there are some problem in correcting like red eye removal and hot spot removal problem. What is red eye removal? Sometimes it happens a photographer clicks and photographs, but in the eye area of photograph there is a reddish due to the non-adjustment of the proper photo size or structure. So to adjust the photo color, eye color, we need to remove the part of red eye. It means we need to edit the part where eye is looking as a red color. Second concept is hot spot. Hot spot means to say on your face some part is lighter and some part is getting dark. So you are not looking attractive in that photograph. So we have to adjust the combination of your face. To do the adjustment, we need to remove the concept of hot spot. It means we need to use the concept of hot spot, in which we will convert from normal mode to the darken mode. We will do dark that part of your face that is very lighter, that is not up to mark. So let's start with the discussion how we can perform red eye removal and hot spot removal. So red eye removal contains 6 steps. First of all, to remove any type of effect, to remove any type of photograph, to remove any type of editing, in that case you need to open a source photo. So source photo means you have to open the photograph on which you are going to apply a particular effect. At first you will open a photograph. Afterward you will select the zoom tool. Zoom tool is the part of Photoshop that is available for editing the photograph. So you will click on zoom tool. In third step, you will draw a rectangle around the eye. Suppose I want to edit this part. So I will draw a rectangle on this part. This is step 3. Draw a rectangle around the eye part where we want to edit, where we want to remove the red part. Next part. Before doing editing, we need to require to check that your foreground color is black and background color is white or not. If color is not proper, foreground color is not black, background color is not white, in that case you need to set the color of background and foreground. Afterward, you need to select the red eye tool. And red eye tool you will select from which part? You will select it from healing brush tool. You will click on healing brush tool. In healing brush tool there will be option of red eye tool. You have to select that tool from a healing brush tool. After selection of this tool, what will you do? You will click on red part and start painting. Like I want to remove this red part. I will firstly select this part. I will select healing brush tool. After this, suppose I want to remove this reddish, I will do it like paint. And this part will be colored as it changing. Same concept is applied in the case of photograph. You will start painting that part of red eye that is looking much, not looking much attractive. That is looking awkward. So we will paint that part and our red effect will be removed and our photo will be up to mark. Second concept that is related to the face. That is hot spot removal concept. What is face concept, hot spot removal? Generally it happens sometime when the entire environment is not proper, your photo is displaying some area of your face as a shiny. You need to remove the shiny face from that area. It means you need to remove the shininess, you need to remove the normal mode to the darker mode. You need to do it dark. For that, which steps are applied? Step 1. At first, same step, open a photo and select the clone tool. At first, you will open a photograph on which you want to apply the effect of hot spot. on which you want to remove the face area that is looking shiny, and select clone tool. It is clone stamp tool. Select that tool for editing purpose. Afterward, change blend. What is blend? Blend is a tool. Blend is a tool that is available in option bar. When you click on clone tool, options will be available. It is a option blend, and you will set the property of blend from normal to darken. You will select it normal to dark. Afterward, you need to set the opacity, and set opacity to how much? 50%. Whatsoever it is there, you need to adjust it up to 50%. In next step, choose a soft edge tool. Why soft edge? Because you need to adjust the face part, so you need the soften part to adjust. That's why choose a soft edge brush and set diameter either 40 or either 50. It's upon user. You want to select it 40 or 50, which one will display the best output. Afterward, this is important question: which key is used to adjust the hotspot removal? And the answer is Alt key is used for adjustment of hotspot removal. So hold the Alt key and start to click in the area where you want to click. And again same thing, you will start painting over the hotspot, and light area will start to be displayed darken. Because our purpose was to make it more darker, because area was shiny, we have to reduce the shininess. To remove the shiny area, we need to make it dark. So afterward, what we will do, we will click on Alt key, hold the Alt key and start to clean that area, and you will see the effect. It will be converted in the darkened area. This is the concept of hotspot removal tool. I hope this point is clear to the students.